Right, and here they are at their new home. They're gonna start gunning me now because I have the lights on. But basically, there's the box, and yeah, that's them. Alright, so welcome back to another episode of Wilson's Apiary Adventures. So tonight we're going to be moving this catch box that's on top of the garage, and myself and my dad are going to be doing it tonight. And so yeah, so it's this bad guy over there on top, and yeah, that one over there. Yeah, one with the super. So we're going to be taking that bad boy down. It's quite a big one, so we're definitely going prepared. We don't feel like being stung tonight, thank you. But they've actually built up the entrance quite a lot, so it's going to be quite tricky to see if we can kind of get that sponge inside of there, so that's going to be fun. But yeah, be sure to stick around and see us getting that thing down. Well, I don't know if you guys saw that, but we managed to get the box down from here, between there and now into the bucky. Yeah, more heavy. It's definitely copious amounts of honey. There she is. It's probably just from when we were moving them earlier. There. Alright, let's go. Pick up from here for me? Yeah, there we go. Quite rocky. Try and get them up there. There we go. That's better.
They're not even aggressive.
I think those are the stragglers, right? I don't think they're coming out there, honestly. That's very small.
They're not such a they're coming out.
Oh, there we go. Hit me on the visor. Alright, so now that we moved the box, because it's such a short distance, it's better to put like an obstruction in the entrance. I've mentioned this a couple of times in the other videos, but now what we're going to use is we're going to use reed. It's actually very nice, and it tends to stay in that position, doesn't tend to fall apart, so it's actually a nice thing to use. We're just going to hang it and drape it over the front of the entrance so that it confuses them. So we're going to open it tonight because we don't leave them in there too long. It does get very hot in there, so we don't want them to fry themselves. So yeah, you'll see us getting this reed. Alright, here we're getting the reed now for these boxes. It's perfect reed. There you go. Yeah, just get like one more. There we go. It's a beautiful evening, Yanna. No wind. Stunning. You can see the sunset there. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. Alright, so we got our reeds. Let's head back. Alright, so we're back now. And I'll show you what we do here now. So, stick the babies in there. That one this one? You want to just get us?
One almost 1,000.
That's fine. Just make sure there's some gap in the middle there for them. Maybe some arms reach. Okay, that's perfect.
Nothing good.
So yeah, I guess you can open up. Yes, fresh air. They won't fly. We'll have the one or two. Don't go mad because that is a good space. Alright. There we go.
So take it kind of closer to the, so they can actually hear them and see them on the box. Look.
You guys can probably hear them. I'm going to put the flash on now. I'll try it and put the flash on so it'll give it bright light so they'll see them properly. But I just want to show you guys the sound that they're making now. Right, and here they are. At the new home. They're going to start gunning me now because I have the lights on. But basically there's the box. And yeah. That's them. At their new home. Perfect. Alright, so that brings us back to the end of this episode. Thanks for watching. And hope you guys enjoyed the quick little show of removing one of these wild colonies from the roof to Apiary. Thanks for checking it out and I'll see you guys next time. Let's keep buzzing.